Hi, my name is Mr. Cadella, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a shape inside of a shape, just like this one up here. I'm going to come down to this form, and I'm going to sketch out just lightly a shape here. It could be any kind of shape. Now, of course, I'll be going back over this with a ruler, but just kind of sketching it in lightly gives me an idea of what kind of shape I'm going to be working with. I'm going to go back over it now with a ruler here. It's just going to be another rectangular prism. As I said, you could do all different kinds of shapes inside here. Now, just as a reminder, as we're doing 1-point perspective here, this horizon line just kind of helps us out here. We'll erase that later. You want to make sure that you're drawing these lines parallel here. I'll come back over here. And remember, this is all kind of an experiment as you're working with it. Maybe you want to make things a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, just as you're working. I'm going to come back up here and make these lines just a little bit longer. It's good that I went ahead and kind of sketched that in, just again, give me an idea. I'll go ahead and connect these lines over here. Don't worry if you have to use your eraser. You'll use your eraser a lot when drawing in 1-point perspective, or any kind of perspective really. So now I'm going to match these corners up here, and you'll notice that it's very similar just to putting in just any kind of form. There we go. Using my vanishing point there. Right about there. Now, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Fairly simple to begin with. There's only one little trick when you're combining forms, and that is when you actually have the forms touching. I'm going to finish this off over here. See where I'm at on my form over here. Match up that vanishing point. Erase a little bit extra I may have. Now I don't need to do anything on this side because this form overlaps this form on the back side here, so that's totally fine. But what do you do over here? You're going to have to make some decisions. Do you want it to extend all the way to this edge right over here, or do you want it to stop somewhere over here? I think I'll just have it stop somewhere over here. So I'm going to come over here, draw a straight line, just like that. Extend these lines over, just like that. So it looks like it's stopping right on the side of this shape right over here. I don't want to forget about this over here. I'm going to draw my vanishing point line here, my converging line. There we go. Now, of course, I go through here and erase these extra lines, unless it was going to be see-through, but for this, we're not going to make it see-through. Now it looks like this shape is inside of this shape right here.